Take a stand for my name, and here's a promise you can claim. That as long as you're serving me, you'll always be in my care. So how could you stay when your heart is there? God has placed my heart in a land far away, in a place where no one wants to go. People are crying, lost souls are dying. So how could I say when my heart is there? I can never consider staying home. I will reach the world, even if I face it alone. So how could I say when my heart's there? God has placed my heart in a land far away, in a place